Hey art friends, it's Melinda Sims again with Melinda Sims Art. Here this time to show you what I'm going to be doing with my terracotta pots for our little herb garden outside. I've got some plants that need repotting because they're growing too big for their pots. And I also just kind of wanted to make this space a little bit more fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be linking some of the products that I use. They're pretty similar to the ones I used for the water bottle video. So that's linked in the description, as well as I should have an information card. Probably gonna be up here. I think that's right, maybe it's there. I think it's there. And let's get started.
Okay, so what you're gonna see is that I wash these beautiful little terracotta pots, and then I find out I was supposed to soak them in a vinegar solution first, because there was like getting this white scale on it. Anyway, you're also gonna find out that I did not realize that some parts, the terracotta pot itself, that I was painting was not in the shot. I apologize, I'm learning. You know, we're all still learning and growing. Anyway, thanks, okay, bye.
And now that I've made a thorough mess, they actually need to soak in a vinegar water solution for about 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna come back. Okay, so it is day 2 of the plant terracotta painting pot adventure. Yay. So they have dried overnight. I think they're dry. They feel a little cool to the touch, which makes me a little bit nervous. But we're gonna go with it. I have a couple more of these that I might try later if I see like in a few days that this does not work out well. So I'm going to spray some of this universal bonding primer. I used this in the water bottle video because that's what we got right now. So that's what I'm going to use for a primer. So we're going to prime, because like Nikki Tutorials always says, not to prime is a crime. But we're not doing makeup, we're doing this. Also, put your hair back if it's all in your face. And we're ready to go. Alright. I just want to show you guys really quick the flower pots, but I also wanted to tell you that be sure that when you're using this satin enamel paint that you do at least 2 coats, okay? 2 coats. And if you have it a little too close, you might have some like drippage of paint, and it'll create these little raised pools, so you might not want that. But anyway, I'm going to show you these flower pots. So here is this cute, adorable little like Heather Day, if y'all know who that is, inspired textured yellow pot, and then on the inside is this really cute peach color. I can't wait till this dries. And then the little tray that goes with it to catch the water. Yeah, we like, we don't like, how? What do we think? Ugh. That's what I get for shooting this in the afternoon. And then we've got flowers on a flower pot. How original. I don't know. Just wanted to have fun with it. Yellow on the inside. And lastly, if it'll actually let me record, the cute little BB that is currently drying with the satin finish. The tray is not drying yet. It's drying with acrylic. Anyway. So, that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this. I promise there won't be as much road noise. Until next time, y'all, spread joy and make art. Bye. I had to check and make sure it was recording. Okay, so that's that. So, second day. Until next time, I'm just gonna wait. Little guy. Why are you so cute, huh? Yeah. Bless you.